This is native soup. Cow meat. Season in cubes. Salt. Prawn. Yellow habanero pepper. Is a leaf. You can use a knife, but I prefer this method of cutting this leaf. All done. Periwinkle. Stockfish head. A few moments later, I'm separating the meat and fish from the broth. Add more water. Blended pepper and prawn. Palm oil. Ofor thickener. Stockfish. Meat. Periwinkle. Fresh catfish. Carefully turn the soup to avoid breaking the catfish. Is a leaf. Dried catfish. For more fishy flavour. I didn't add seasoning cubes and salt to the soup, because I used the seasoned meat broth to cook. To watch more, subscribe.